There's a lot of newer cars these days at these shows. In fact, this show has been criticized because somebody buys a brand new Charger and puts different tires on it, and now it's a custom hot rod. Buick. Well, instead of shifting gears, he looks like he's shifting beers. Cummins. Listen to that.
Yo, what do you think you would have done if I would have walked down and said, wow?
Nice XKE. Okay. I love Hooters.
Ugly car.
I'd rather be blown.
What?
Oh, we're heading back. We just finished the last one.
That was all our cars. That was all of them.
Chevy Nova.
All those signs
This is my new friend. This is summer, so almost every day it eventually builds up and starts to rain.